Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the outer tie rod end. Relatively easy job, simple tools, but remember that when doing this you will need an alignment. Do not just put it on and say, okay, yeah, I've this, that, I've eyeballed it, I've marked it, I've this, I've that. You will need an alignment. Okay, so let's jump right into it.
A few moments later.
Just want to match them up, see, make sure that they're okay. And remember, guys, these are site specific. Okay, in this case, this is the right side, and you'll see a little R there. Okay? So be careful. Just make sure that they line up before you start to button up. So I like to just put a little lubrication. It's in there, a little spray, just to keep things smooth. Now, one of the things that I did, if you noticed, when I just started, I made sure that this nut was touching. All right, so I have a rough idea of how far up to run this. Now, it doesn't really matter how exact I get it, because the car will need to be aligned, because what you find is that the length of the arm here is probably going to be out by a few millimeters either way. And I'm going to show you something. See, notice it stopped, but what's going on down here? Still it's upside down. See that? And it stopped here. So what that tells you is that there is a slight difference in length. Okay, so we still need to have that little bit of adjustment. Okay, so let's back it off just a little bit there, and then what's going to happen when the guys go to align, what they will do, they will adjust here. Okay, this section here, they'll actually put the wrench, the spanner here, and they'll make the adjustments here, so it'll back off from here. All right, so at this point, we know the car is going to be out of alignment. The tire is probably going to be screeching, but that's fine. It's going for alignment tomorrow anyway. Now this takes maybe 33 to 39 foot-pounds, I believe. I'll put the right settings on the screen, but we're going to do 35 right in the middle. as it happens, my SD card got all used up, so the camera stopped recording. But that's pretty much the entire process. Nothing more to add or to take away. Torque to 35 pound-feet, and you should be good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.